friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at some very inexpensive sun care items. And I recommend that if you want to try this also in store, by all means go for it. But we're looking at some of these items curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the app, hitting the box on the left with the green check and picking it up. And I'm going to let you guys know the Walgreens app was slightly acting up this morning, where I was seeing a lot of stuff was unavailable to pick up. You might have to wait maybe noonish to try and do some of these deals because I was having issues here in the Midwest. So you see at the bottom it says pickup not available. So I tried like 10 different stores near me and I could not get this thing to show up. But adding 2 of these into a basket, that's going to be $11.98. And the promotion is when you buy 2, you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. Make sure you ask the cashier for a receipt, so she's going to he or she will have to ring you up at a regular register so you get a physical paper receipt. Checkout 51 has $2 back, so it makes both of them completely free. You're going to have to double triple check that either your Checkout 51 or Swag Bucks you have this rebate, and this is the promotion: buy 2 get $10 back in Walgreens cash. Now alternatively, if you can't make heads or tails of this but you really want to try and do this deal, go in store and see if you can find some cheaper sunscreen, and if it's tagged like this as well, give it a roll, give it a try. You have nothing to lose, and especially if you can find ones that are, in that $5-6 neighborhood, you could possibly get a freebie going for you. So I would totally make it happen. Next deal that we're looking at is a different company called Banana Boat, and it's these cooling, and so after you're in the sun, you just put this on your skin. Even if you're out doing yard work, this stuff can be quite glorious. It's on a buy one get one free promotion, and there's a whole bunch of other things stacking, including a $2 digital, and I'm going to show you something here really exciting. Buy one get one 50% off. $6 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. It's buy one get one 50% off too. I already said that. Plus a 15-pack of the Walgreens brand Nice Water. You just have to throw it in a cart. So you're getting 2 free sunscreens plus a 15-pack of the Walgreens water. And so just tossing 2 of these into a cart, buy one get one 15% off for $10.48. And then you also have a $2 digital that you're going to load. I know Checkout 51 had a rebate, I think for this one, or Coppertone, double, triple check. Maybe you can get an extra $1 or so off. But this is the one digital that we have. It's a 2 off of 1. And just throw this into a cart. There's no promotion code for this. It'll just ring up 0, which is fantastic. And to get the math to balance, I wanted to throw in one of these 9 counts of the Walgreens toilet paper. This is very similar to Angel Soft. If you use it, I think it's made in the same factory, honestly. It's a great toilet paper. We have a store coupon, which is $1.50 off of 1. Please make sure you have this loaded. So just to show you the gorgeous chorus line here, Banana Boat, the Walgreens toilet paper, my free pack of water, and then I can also use the code WAG10 for an additional $1.15 off. So the overall total is $16.87, $4.14 melting off, and then free curbside pickup, $2 coming off, so $11.93. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.93, you're getting 6 back, which isn't bad. It makes those Banana Boat coolings about $1.24 each, which is not bad. You're getting some free water, some toilet paper. I mean, this is everything that dreams and magic are made of. Okay, so a lot of you have been telling me that your $5 reward on Crest Dental Care, that register reward, is no longer printing. And I don't know, sometimes Walgreens, there's a glitch in the system where things are not printing. And I know a lot of you are also not able to get through to Catalina to get your missed register reward. What I recommend, if it is tagged at your store with that tag on the left-hand side, ask a manager very nicely for some assistance. They have to help you. So they have to credit you $5 of Walgreens cash, and you can say, hey, I've tried with head office and they just keep sending me back to you for the manager to assist me. Could you please help me just this one instance? If you can negotiate that, it's tagged at their store, they have to honor it. So I know a lot of you are very persuasive, so be super nice and say, hey, I know it's a holiday weekend, I don't want to be a pain, but could you please help me out? They have to help you out. If you have been doing a lot of the spend 30, earn back 10 with these P&G promotions at Walgreens. Typically, these register rewards have a 3-day time frame, so please check the dates at the very top. Mine is expiring on Friday the 4th. Use them, guys, right away. And on the 5th, I'm assuming that most patriotic home decor, these sort of cute little items, will probably be 50% off. A lot of stores have already reduced down the cost, but if you love to decorate for the 4th, this will be your opportunity to get a lot of stuff on the cheap. Just an idea. And in case you missed yesterday's video, I have some deals in store over at Walgreens, and then other stores if you're interested, Dollar General and Meijer. I will link that right here. Have a great one, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.